Hi, my name is Grant Dixon. I'm a trial lawyer and I've been representing victims in personal injury matters for well over 20 years. I get asked questions all the time. I have one of those questions here for you today. Why is the insurance company saying my car is worth so little? Can I do anything? Oftentimes insurance companies will evaluate the value of your car after a car crash and tell you it's worth far less than you think. The way you fight that is by getting estimates done from competent shops if it's going to be repaired. And if it's not going to be repaired, get out on the internet and look for other cars like yours that are being sold for different prices. Print those out and send them to the adjuster and argue that in your case it's worth more than he's saying it is. At Dixon Law Office, we've been representing victims in personal injury matters for well over 20 years, and we can help you. But you need to contact us first. Call us at 888-354-9880 or reach us on the web at attorneysmakingitright.com. Because when everything goes wrong, we make it right.